All right, so Brian's going to give the explanation of this sketch here.
All right. So, you still wide?
We're still one.
Okay. We got these right here, 10-foot markers. So we have 90 feet to one edge, 90 feet to this edge. We've got 150 feet all the way over to this edge, and we have 40 feet to this edge. And whatever the hell that is, I don't know. I didn't measure that. I could do my math. Anyway, we used your clip art and all that stuff from some of your designs and just kind of tried to put it together the way we wanted it. So some of this stuff's obviously upside down like this because we couldn't get it right. So this will be the deck here, right here, here. This deck will come all the way over to this top of this little hip here. And then we'll have this will be the bank going down and the steps will be going that way, obviously. But this will all be a deck on top connected to this, 4 feet high. All right. Then we got a pocket here, and between that, this top and this top, you've got 10, 20, 30 feet. So that's probably excessive. You know, obviously they might have like 10-foot flat here. Maybe a little bit long because we want the flow. You want some pockets. All right, we're gonna keep going over here. This is just a probably 5-foot quarter. Maybe a little longer than this, or maybe some little feature here. And this will be a bank. And maybe put some coping right here also to where you can roll down or just not even worry about that actually. Fuck it, it's not necessary. Right. But then we got that little design you had that went this way and this way down. I would figure this would be about 3.5 feet here. And then we'd go to the little bump here and this hip. Somehow we get it to connect into this, make this a slanting box instead of it being maybe connect to 3.5. And then this is gonna be a hip here coming around that connects to this hip. Boom, that bench will not be there. Bench will be over here somewhere. But we'll make this a whole rotating hip that surrounds this thing and comes into this little gem you blew up. And this will be a little bit bigger, probably about like 6.5, 7 feet with that little titty right there. And then we can pop around and get all that. And then you just have your little features here in between. That would be more of the ledges and a little hip. The bowl, it'd like to be probably 5 to 8, somewhere in that ballpark. And not too much flat, but not too tight either. So you can get a lot of speed on it. And I don't know. This is kind of an idea of that thing that we showed you, but it sucks. But these are all big corner hips all connecting into this, and this will be the deck obviously for the bowl, but how it cuts in and maybe connects a little bit and then ends up over here. And I think that's it. Sorry to destroy your property.